Nice, clear water. That doesn't necessarily mean that it's clean, it just means that it's clear. Clean and clear are two completely different things. You can have polluted water that's clear. I could fill this pond with bleach and it'd be really clear, but it would not be clean. But what I'm here to show you is that this material, this is alluvium from the video you just saw. And what happens when, in a rain event, when all of this ends up in my pond here? You will see that the water, it immediately starts to disassociate in the water. And you see this cloud forming. Can you get on the side? You can see that cloud going through. Now, all of this material makes a huge change, and it makes the water almost opaque. It is drastically changing the amount of light penetration that comes through this nice clear water. That's going to completely change the ecosystem, just these rain events and this erosion into the water. This water is called turbid, highly turbid water. This is clear water. Turbidity is the opposite of clarity. I'm going to say that again. Turbidity is the opposite of clarity. What happens when you have turbid water is you have a decrease of photosynthesis because you have a decrease of light penetration. Also, the same way that soil gets hot, when you walk on hot soil in the summertime, these particles will soak up heat from the sun. So my turbid water will also get hotter than the clear water will. That increases that increase in temperature, it changes its chemical abilities, and it will hold less oxygen. So the oxygen level goes down. So again, our turbidity changes. That causes a decrease in photosynthesis of all this submergent vegetation. That means underwater vegetation. It's not able to do as much photosynthesis, so it's not giving off as much oxygen, and the water warms up, so it's not able to hold as much oxygen, so the oxygen level goes down. When we have a time of chronic low oxygen water, it's called hypoxia. Hypoxia can be caused by several different things, including nitrogen and phosphorus runoff and excessive turbidity. As all these plants die, then there will be this and it decomposes. All the bacteria will use up the oxygen, including all the compounding oxygen problems I just mentioned, and we have a hypoxic state or a hypoxic area, and then we'll get a huge die-off of organic or of aquatic organisms. The word aquatic refers to freshwater ecosystems, which is a different word than marine, which refers to saltwater ecosystems.